What if I told you there's a new AI model that can compete with much larger models, runs locally on your own hardware, and it's completely open? Yes, this is Gemma 4 and it's kind of a big deal. So recently Google introduced Gemma 4, their most advanced open model family yet. And this is not just another chatbot, it's designed for developers, builders, and AI agents. Let's break it down in simple terms. So Gemma 4 is a family of AI models built for advanced reasonings, agent workflows, and code generations. Multimodal tasks like text, image, and audios. And here's the interesting part, it comes in multiple sizes. Smaller models like 2 billion to 4 billion parameters optimized for efficiency and edge devices. A 26 billion model focused on speed using mixture of experts, and a 31 billion parameters model designed for higher performance. Despite being relatively efficient, Gemma 4 models are ranked among the top open models on some benchmarks. Most AI models focus on just chatting, but Gemma 4 is built for actually doing things we are talking about: function calling, structured output like JSON, tool uses, multi step reasoning. So instead of just answering questions, you can build AI agents that complete real tasks. It also supports very large context windows up to hundreds of thousands of tokens, over 100 languages, multimodal inputs, which mean it can handle long documents, large code bases, images, and other inputs all within a single workflow. Gemma 4 is designed to run across different types of hardware from cloud system to laptops and developers' machine, and even optimized for edge devices. This means if you run it locally, you can reduce API cost, keep your data more private, and build offline AI systems. For developers, this opens door to a more local first approach to AI. Another big highlight is licensing. Gemma 4 is released under Apache 2.0 license, which means you can modify it, use it commercially, deploy it anywhere, and maintain control over your data. This gives developers a lot more flexibility compared to the closed AI systems. So, overall, Gemma 4 is not just another AI release, it represents a shift towards more efficient models, agent based workflows, and more open, flexible AI systems. So, if you're building in AI right now, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Now, on a quick side note, if you're someone who wants to go deeper into high paying tech fields, especially things like trading system, financial modeling, or quantitative development, there's a platform called Quant. It offers 50 plus interactive courses, real coding exercise directly in your browser, projects like trading system pricing models, and risk tools. So instead of just watching tutorials, you can actually build real systems step by step. If that sounds interesting, check the link in the description box below. And yeah, if you want more breakdown like AI tools, agent, real workflow, make sure to subscribe. I post it daily.